1200-meter race is on their way. Blue Phoenix, Good Fortune moving up down on the inside. Beyond Good racing in third. Then followed over on the outside by Statuesque. Then next in line, Silver Ridge and Bonjour is the early trailer as they race at a half-mile pole. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Good Fortune, Blue Phoenix is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Beyond Good racing in third. Then followed by Statuesque, Silver Ridge running second last, and Bonjour as they rounded a 600. It's Blue Phoenix, Good Fortune is by the rail. Good Fortune by the rail. Blue Phoenix is on the outside. Blue Phoenix on the outside. Good Fortune by the rail. Statuesque racing in third. Beyond Good, Silver Ridge and Bonjour is still the tail ender. And down the stretch they come. Statuesque moving up on the outside. Good Fortune is splitting horses. Then moving up is Silver Ridge with 75 meters to race. Statuesque leading the field. Silver Ridge now running in second. And finally Statuesque, Silver Ridge, Good Fortune. Rather, that's Beyond Good. Then comes Bonjour, Good Fortune.